Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the formatting of dates in Gmail. This is a simple tweak that only takes a few minutes, but it can make your inbox easier to read and align better with your personal or regional preferences. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Log in with your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your inbox, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings button. Click on it to open the quick settings panel. From here, you'll want to go a bit deeper. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where Gmail gives you a wide range of customization options. At the very top of the settings page, you'll notice multiple tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Make sure you're in the General tab. This is where you'll find the option to adjust your date formatting. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Language. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose your display language. The trick to changing your date format lies here. If you choose English US, Gmail will display dates in the month/day/year format. But if you switch to English UK, Gmail will instead show them in the day/month/year format. So if you'd prefer your dates to read 30 September 2025 instead of September 30, 2025, go ahead and select English UK. After making your selection, don't forget the most important step. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and when it does, you'll immediately notice that the dates in your inbox are displayed in the new format, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the date formatting in Gmail. This small adjustment can make your inbox feel more natural and easier to read, especially if you're used to a specific style of dates. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you customize Gmail to better suit your needs. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech tutorials.